This tutorial is going to cover how to do your assignments in general, and also how to download the Weekly World files and how to hand your assignment in. So we're doing this in Prehistoric Park as an example, but the process is going to be the same for all of the classes. And to get to your assignment, you're going to go up to Assignments, and we're going to go to the Into the Deep assignment, and the first thing we're going to need to do is get our world file. And there's two ways to do that. The easiest way is just to click on World File to download, and you can see it's downloading in the bottom left hand corner. When that finishes, we can just click on it. I'm going to let it finish doing its thing because the other place you can find it, if you go into the Files tab, is in the Weekly World files. I delete the old one and re-upload the new one every week, and to download it you just click on the three dots and push download, or you can download it from up here. So there's lots of ways to get your file. And then if we just click on that file that downloaded down in the bottom corner, it's going to open up in Minecraft Education Edition. And there it is. So the other way that you can find it is by opening up your File Explorer and going to Downloads, and after you've downloaded it, it should be in there. So there's the file, and again, you just click on it and it will open up in Minecraft Education Edition. So once you have the world file, you can do your assignment, and your assignment is done in Flipgrid. So we click on the Go to the Flipgrid button. Now this student account has logged into Flipgrid already, so it goes straight there. If it's your first time, you're going to click on the Login with Microsoft button and log in with your Focus Learning email address. And we click on Record a Response to record our response. We're usually using screen share. You have to allow that. We're going to go to Options, and we're going to go to Record Screen, and that will let us record our Minecraft screen. Yeah, that's fine. Yep. So if we want to record the world, we're going to start the screen recording, and we're going to be capturing our Minecraft Education Edition. So you would just go to Application window and choose Minecraft Education Edition. Or you can do the entire screen, and that would be whatever screen your Minecraft is on. Either way, it'll work. And then when you're done, you just upload your video. And you go back to your assignment, and when you're all finished up and you've uploaded your video to Flipgrid, you click on Turn In, and that will finish your assignment, and it will let me mark it and return it to you. And that is how we do assignments.